Hello guys, welcome to Quick Solution. Today I'm going to show you how you can see the unsent photos and videos from Facebook Messenger. So in order to do that, let's open the Messenger app, and right here at the top left corner you'll have to tap this icon with the three lines and go to settings. So right here, if you scroll down, you will see that you have this option called Photos and Media, and we're going to tap on that. So right here, as you can see, the very first option is Save on Capture. So what you'll have to do is toggle this on right here. So basically, if you have that toggled on, once someone sends you photos and videos through Facebook Messenger, they will be automatically saved to your storage. So even though they are deleting that message, the photos that they have sent, it will be stored into your gallery. So even though they are deleting that message, you would be able to see the photos or the videos to your gallery. So this is what you have to do. Just make sure that you have this option right here toggled on. So this is all for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.